Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Teachnology. In this video, I'll explain how to use Google Meet to conduct online classes. As you can see, to use Google Meet in your laptop or personal computer, you have to go to meet.google.com. If you are using a mobile phone, install the application Google Meet. The user interface is pretty simple. This is the welcome screen. I have already logged in with my Gmail account. So the first step that you have to do is to log in with your Gmail account. To conduct a meeting or schedule a meeting, just click new meeting. To join a meeting that is being organized by someone else, you have to give the meeting link that was shared by the organizer. Let us first look at how to conduct a meeting or schedule a meeting. When you click new meeting, three options pop up. The first thing, get a meeting link to share, start an instant meeting, schedule in Google Calendar. The first thing, get a meeting link to share, is just like an immediate setup without any complications. You have to copy the meeting link and send it to the participants through a particular channel, a medium such as WhatsApp, mail link or SMS. Make sure you copy this link and save it somewhere so that you can join the meeting and the participants will join the meeting with the link you shared. So this is just like an instant meeting or a meeting with no hassles, no schedule, no date, no time. You can later inform the participants that use the link that I shared with you to join the meeting. So no schedule is here. The second one, second option is start an instant meeting. Immediately you can ask certain people to join this meeting. Again, there is no schedule here. If you click join now Google Meet asks you whom to add here. This is the meeting link. You can copy it and send it to them, or you can add people to it. You can add people to it by giving their email IDs. You can give their email IDs and send the invitation. No, there are no email IDs here. Okay, you can give their email IDs here to send the link. That is how you can use the second one, schedule an instant meeting. Now the most important one that can be used to schedule classes in Google Meet by teachers is schedule in calendar. Because when you schedule a meeting, you can schedule a meeting in Google Calendar. You can repeat the meeting just like a normal class. This particular Google meeting may repeat every weekly or every day or every month. So give a title for this meeting. So this one can be used. The third option, schedule a Google meeting, can be used by teachers. Let us say this is a software engineering class. Okay, and here you have the time for that, say 15th October, and select the time, say from 12 to 1 p.m. You can also adjust the timings manually. Say this class is for 45 minutes. And the options that are here, if you click, a drop down menu appears. If you take daily, this particular class, software engineering, is conducted daily from 12 to 12:45. But if this class on Thursday, every week, every Thursday, occurs at 12 to 12:45. Select weekly on Thursday. Okay, and the other options that you have here are sending an email to the participants 10 minutes before. If you want an email to be sent to the participants of this meeting 15 minutes before, and a notification will go to them 10 minutes before the meeting. If you want, you can add some description here about your class. Okay, you can add the description if you want. And the most important part now is to add guests to this particular meeting. If you know their mail IDs, you can simply add the guests to this particular meeting. Say I am adding one person here. If you know the email IDs, you can add them. Even if you don't know the email IDs, you can still allow the participants to join their meeting by copying the link. You can copy the meeting link and send it to the participants or if your students. But this is being a free account. You can allow only 100 participants. That's the maximum limit you can have in the classroom. And simply save this particular meeting. Now an email invitation will go to all the guests that you have added here. If you want to send an invitation, you can send, or if you do not want to send an invitation, just don't send. But I advise you to click send. Okay, now when the time, when you want to start the class, you can simply take join with Google Meet. Now the meeting starts. It is getting the things ready for you. You can click join now. Now the meeting starts. The class starts. But there are no participants here. You can see the people, your students or the participants of the meeting. You can see the list. Here you can see the list of participants that joined the meeting. If you want to send the link even now, you can copy the joining info and send it to somebody. I'll show you how, if a person without invitation joins the meeting, what happens. I'll show you. I have copied the joining info and pasted in the browser. Now it asks the person who wants to join the meeting without invitation from the organizer, that is you, if he wants to join. It asks him to sign in. He has to sign in to join the meeting. He must have a Gmail account. The person without the link wants to join the meeting, but Google Meet doesn't allow the person by default to join. Okay, he has to necessarily seek permission for you to join, the organizer to join. So he asks to join the meeting. Now a message will go to the organizer or the teacher that somebody is requesting to join the meeting. This is how it shows that somebody wants to join this meeting. So if you click admit, the person without the invitation will be able to join the meeting. But if you think this person should not be allowed to join this class, you can simply click deny entry. But I am admitting the person to So now the person with this mail ID has joined the meeting. If you want, you can change the other settings. If you click here, you can mute this person so that what he says is not heard by every participant. If you want to remove him from the meeting, you can click this. Now let's go to Teachnology mail ID. As you can see, he is allowed into the meeting, and he can see the participants also. So he is the organizer and you. So this is how you can manage how to allow or deny entry for the persons without the invitation. But still, if you want to add some people when the meeting started, you can do that by clicking add people. You can add people even now. You can select the mail ID and send an email so that that person will also join the meet. So this is how you can use Google Meet for taking online classes. But the other options which you do not have in this free version, you will not be able to download the attendance list, you will not be able to record the meeting, and the maximum limit of participants is restricted to 100 only. Thank you very much. Now I will show you the basic features of Google Meet. This is the screen that you get when you start a meeting. This is the microphone. If you turn this on, whatever you say will be heard by the participants. The next icon you see is to end the meeting. This one is to turn on the web camera that you have on your laptop or on PC. The other option that you see here is turn on captions. If you turn on the captions, whatever you say will be shown as subtitles for the participants. As you can see, whatever I am saying are converted into subtitles, or in other words, captions. So I am turning off the captions. The other option that you see here is present now. If you click present now, you can share the screen of your computer. You can share the entire screen. If you want, you can share a particular window. If you have a PPT, you can open the PPT to be shown to the participants. If you want to share a Chrome tab that is on your browser, if you want to share the entire tab, say I have opened a new tab here and I want to share the new tab, you can click that. So this one will be shared, your participants will be able to see this particular tab on their screens. You can, if you want, you can go to your Drive and open the PPT that is stored on Drive, your Google Drive. You can stop sharing by clicking stop. Now the screen is stopped. The other options that you have, if you can click the three ellipses here, this is the most important one option that you have here, that is whiteboard. You can start a whiteboard to scribble on the board, just like you use a blackboard in your classroom. You can use Jamboard here. Jamboard is a product of Google. If you click share whiteboard, you will be able to open Google's Jamboard. Here you can use the pen tool to draw on the screen. If you have a graphic tablet, you can write on the screen. You can do some mathematics, you can do that. The other option is the eraser option. To erase the screen, you can clear the entire frame also. You can also add an image. If you want, you can add a sticky note to the Jamboard for your students to see. You can also add a circle, draw a circle. You can fill it with some colors. These are the other options that you have. You can also type on the screen. You can also type on the screen. If you have a graphic tablet, you can put this particular Google Jamboard for the maximum utilization. The other options you have, you can change the layout of the participants. You can change them to tiled, your participants, all you can see, you'll be able to see all the participants in tiles of 16, or if you want, you can increase that also. If the number of participants is more, you can use tiled layout. The other layout is auto. If you want to fix one person on the screen, you can use spotlight. If you want to see the participants in the sidebar, you can enable that also. But in this meeting there are no participants, that's why you will not be able to see them here in the sideboard. The other option is to go full screen. There are basic settings such as microphone, what microphone to be used, whether to use integrated webcam or any other webcam. You can change the resolution to high definition. I am currently using standard one. This is receiving resolution of your participants. You can also change it to 720. So these are the basic features of Google Meet. I hope I helped you with this tutorial. If you like this video, give a like, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon to receive updates. Thank you.